Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a photo or video reveal itself into another photo or video in VideoStar. Let's just get straight into the tutorial. Okay, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have your photos or videos imported into the clip you're editing. Now press on New, Multi-Layer, and then import both of the videos into layers 1 and 2. This also works for photos. So layer 1 should be the base photo you want, and then layer 2 will be the photo that reveals itself. Now make sure that you have layer 2 selected, press on Layout, and then using this search tool, look up Reveal. I already have it looked up, and then press the second option. Now press on this up arrow and then press on any one of these options. For this tutorial, I'm going to use center/vertical. Now press on 2 and then press on Edit Keyframe. And then press on this opacity icon and it will change to a layout icon. And just make sure that it's at 0% for the beginning of the clip. Now drag it out some about where you want your photo or video to start to fade in. And place down a layout keyframe. And you want to make sure that it's still at 0. Now go over some and drag the layout up. I'm putting mine at about 85, but this is changeable. Now press on this straight line and press on Custom, and then make your graph look like mine. Okay, so once your graph looks like this, press this down arrow, press back, and this is what we have so far. Now press Create, wait for it to load, press on Done if you have Preview on. Now press on New, press Transform, and then press on VS Motion Blur. It just basically adds blur to that reveal part of the video. If you press on Edit, you can change the settings. These are mine. You can copy them if you'd like, or you can use yours. Now press Create and wait for it to load. Press Done, and that's it guys, this is what we have. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!